from today onwards, I'm starting daily vlogging. We have 10 minutes straight because I have to go to driving class, so bye. Hey guys, it's me, vlog1 of Jasmin kaur. So yeah, from today onwards, I'm starting daily vlogging. Yes. Ta-da! I'm all freshened up. I've taken bath, I've brushed my teeth, I've done my whole housework, and yes, now I'm just gonna chill and eat my breakfast. Yes, so I'm just gonna chill. थोड़ी थोड़ी तक आवाज आती होनी पर एसी ला के तो बहना पैंदा अगे मैंने पसीने देखो किन्ने पे बिना बिना पक्खे दे वीडियो बनानी पैंदी होंदी क्योंकि बैकग्राउंड noise. I was there and the lighting was so good because of the natural light outside. And now I'm here. Here's my cousin. Say hi. Don't tell them what are you doing. I am back and so I'm just gonna eat my breakfast now. It's the daily vlog and I'm gonna upload it in the night time today. So now I'm gonna eat my breakfast and watch something on Netflix or something or YouTube, and then I'm free whole day until 3 o'clock. Then I have to go to like my driving classes, and I am taking driving classes, and then I'm gonna read my manga Jujutsu Kaisen. It's so good. I've heard a lot about Jujutsu Kaisen from my friends.
For 24 hours. What should we eat for breakfast, my dear? What should we eat for breakfast?
Here's my cousin eating a breakfast, and I'm already done. After binge watching Netflix, we decided to eat. Yeah, and my sister is going to make pasta, and I'm gonna make ramen, and we have to do the dishes also. And here is pasta making, and I'm gonna make my ramen, and now it's time to wash dishes. It's time to make my ramen, and my cousin want to eat this Maggi which my dad brought from Dubai, and it's not tasty at all. It has some Thai sauce, I think so. Yeah, it has some Thai sauce and it's not good. Bamboo sauce something. Ramen with cheese. Look at the cheese. So, and here's my soya milk which is a bit frozen, but who cares. I only have 10 minutes straight because I have to go to driving class, so bye. So I am done. So I've reached home. I left home at 3:15 and it's currently 3:54 and I have
354 near 424.
I was it's not 3:54. My sister recently got a new phone, so it's the time from Dubai, and let me just check the time. It's 4:25. Dubai the time in Dubai 2:55 hoye. I just washed my face. This is my bare faced. You'll don't judge it. My eyes are hurting because of the dirt particle inside it, and I'm gonna rest a bit. I'm back from the driving class and I'm gonna chill. The fan is off because of me. I'm gonna on the fan. Bye. So guys, मेरी मम्मी ने तले पापड़. The weather outside is so good. So and this papad. going for the walk now. The weather is so good today and my hair is messy. Yes, the weather is so good today. It's cloudy and windy, but yet it's not raining. See the kind of thing we have to pass to go to for a walk. This is my old school and the clouds are looking so good. Yes, let's go. It started drizzling now, but it started raining. It's drizzling, it's not raining. My sisters. वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो गया. It's raining and raining, but we don't mind the raining, do we?
Yes, I do.
But I don't mind the rain. It's perfect weather to play the song "She's in the Rain" by The Rose. Guys, मेरी कमेंट डिगली किते डुबने वाली नहीं. The weather is so We came back from our work a while ago, but I forgot to film. And not a while ago, but a little bit ago. And now we are gonna chill after the walk. We came upstairs because she wants some of my sister's books. So she's doing the same thing my sister did, and she's needed a book. So we are just checking the books we need. It's so hot upstairs, but the sky outside looks so pretty. But I can show you as it's not showing on the camera. It's not showing on the camera. So yeah, look for the books you need, and then we're gonna go downstairs. Bye. Wow, the weather is so good. It's windy. So here's my sister who's providing me the light because the electricity is gone. Electricity is long gone, and the weather is so good. And yes, wow, it's so windy, and this is the type of weather I want. And yes, so good. This is my type of weather. Okay, as I told you, we were upstairs and the electricity suddenly gone and we just screamed. Thank you for watching the vlog. I hope you liked it, and from today onward I'm gonna start daily vlogging as I mentioned before. And yeah, that's it for the vlog. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe. Bye.